The Atlassian Remote MCP Server is a cloud-based bridge that connects your Atlassian Cloud site with compatible external tools like VS Code or Claude Code. Once configured, it allows those tools to interact with your Jira, Compass, and Confluence data in real time, all through secure OAuth 2.1 authorization. This means every action still follows your existing Atlassian permissions, keeping your data safe and access controlled. With Remote MCP Server, you can summarize and search Jira, Compass, and Confluence content without leaving your IDE. Create or update issues using natural language commands and also bulk process tasks, like generating tickets straight from design specs. Let's give it a try. Before connecting, make sure your environment meets the setup requirements. From the MCP Marketplace, search for Atlassian MCP Server and install it. When prompted, enter your Atlassian credentials, the same ones you use to access Jira Cloud. Once authenticated, the server starts automatically and you can see all the available tools. Now, let's test if the connection actually works. In the GitHub Copilot Chat, enter this prompt. Are there any unassigned Jira issues? The Copilot agent recognizes that it needs to use the Atlassian MCP server and proceeds to fetch unassigned issues from my 3 Jira projects. Pretty amazing. Just a quick note, I'm using my free Atlassian account for this demo. Next, let's try assigning tasks. I asked to assign 2 Jira tasks to me. Perfect. The MCP server successfully assigned both issues to me. Now, let's ask for more details about one issue. Show me details for LJ6. And just like that, it fetched all the details from Jira instantly. Now, let's ask the agent to create subtasks for each acceptance criterion in our story LJ6. Create a task for each item from the acceptance criteria for LJ6. It created 4 subtasks, each matching one acceptance criterion. Let's open Jira and verify. Here we go. You can see the 4 subtasks created for user story LJ6. Under recent activity, all actions performed by the Jira MCP server are displayed. Next, I asked the agent to list all Jira issues and save them to a CSV file. Using the Atlassian MCP server, Copilot generated the list and exported it, giving me an easy way to view all the details in one place. I then directed the server to list all the learning and knowledge resource pages I'd authored in Confluence, and it promptly provided a comprehensive list. So that's the Atlassian Remote MCP Server, a powerful new way to bring Jira and Confluence data right into your AI-driven workflows. Whether you're managing sprints, writing specs, or planning releases, this integration saves time, reduces context switching, and lets you stay in flow. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more real-world AI tips for software testers. Happy testing!